Of being a woman of worth. She is someone who has represented India globally through her films, her gorgeous presence on international platforms, her association with various causes, and her magnanimous personality. She is glamour, charm, and grace personified. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you eternally beautiful L'Oréal Paris Ambassador Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
This is not a movie. No retakes, no plot, no script. There's just her. On her own, she chases her dreams and looks good while doing it. She's not someone else's opinion. She's self-made. And she has a story to tell of her journey of perseverance, patience, and prejudices. In her life, privacy is a luxury, and luxury not so private. She's pried on, written about, criticized, lauded, and applauded. She listens to the mustn'ts, the shouldn'ts, the won'ts, and then she does it anyway. Because she can. She is unshakable. She is unstoppable. She is infallible.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Ma'am, left side. Ma'am, left side. Ma'am, left. Ma'am, left side. Left, left.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. What a pleasure to see you. My God, you look beautiful as ever.
Thank you.
15 years at Cannes, it must be a glorious journey. Tell us about it.
Good afternoon, everybody, all the members of the media here, and thank you so much. Thank you very much. It's such a warm welcome, as every time. We meet at events.
So many of them.
He's just really generous with introductions, so thank you each time. And to all of you for coming to celebrate with us. Hi, I see you all now, more clearly. For coming to celebrate with us the launch of the Infallible collection, and of course, very kindly, reminding me and celebrating with me 15 years with the brand. And this just makes me smile in all humility and with absolute gratitude to L'Oréal for having me enjoy belonging to the family for this wonderful 15-year journey thus far, and a couple more ahead for sure. And of course, even to the festival. My association began virtually simultaneously with the Cannes Film Festival, starting of course, as you all already know, and I keep reminding you all at every event that I am to talk about my relationship with the festival. It began with Devdas being screened at the festival, which was such an honor for me as a member of the Indian film fraternity to get the kind of welcome that we received from the festival and the world media, and the appreciation, the fantastic reviews, and the way the world media and international cinema opened up to our world of excellent cinema. I proudly belong to the Indian film fraternity, and that shall forever remain the start of my association with the Cannes Film Festival, which thereon got consolidated ever since I came on as a member of the L'Oreal family. I'm going to go beyond using the term brand ambassador now, because 15 years is long enough for us to call ourselves a family now. And it's been so many incredible memories all these years, and I consider myself privileged to have the opportunity to represent us, the Indian woman, a member of the Indian film fraternity, year after year, along with a terrific brand like L'Oreal, that of course is a cosmetic giant and an industry by itself, but at the same time, as a company, we together talk about we have a wonderful platform like the Women of Worth Awards, and even in our very motto, when we say we are worth it, we are constantly doffing our hat off at the incredible, unstoppable spirit and strength of us women, and that to me makes my association, it seals my association with the brand and makes it absolutely, virtually synonymous to me. So thank you for having me on board and represent the brand, and the pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Whoa, many congratulations. What a journey it's been. Congratulations for the milestone. Ladies and gentlemen, behind this fantastic event is a man who's going to come on the stage. He is the General Manager, L'Oreal Paris, India. Please give a big round of applause for Rajiv Garg. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Thank you so much. Hi, good afternoon. How are you? Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I think 2016 is a real milestone year for us as we celebrate 15 years with Aishwarya at Cannes. So first of all, thank you, Aishwarya, for being such an important part of L'Oreal Paris journey. And as we always say, for us, Aishwarya truly is our infallible woman of worth. L'Oreal Paris has been associated with Cannes for over 19 years. And as a true red carpet expert, our entire job and objective is to build together international beauty and makeup trends for all over the world. And this year will be the same. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to officially tell you the dates on which our family members, as she rightly said, will walk the red carpet this year. So Aishwarya Rai Bachchan will be walking the red carpet on 13th and 14th of May. Sonam Kapoor will be walking the red carpet on 15th and 16th of May. And unfortunately, due to prior work commitments, Katrina will not be able to join us this year at Cannes. As you all are aware, 2016 is a special year. A, we celebrate 15 years with Aishwarya. B, we also launched something which is very dear to us, the Infallible range. What for us Infallible means is an unstoppable, a woman's spirit which no one can really beat on. And that is what the entire makeup collection is all about. To tell you, the collection says, I may not be infallible, but my makeup is. I am not infallible, but yet I can. And that is the true spirit of Infallible collection this year. So without further ado, I would request Aishwarya to please unveil the Cannes Collection 2016. Applause, please.